I can't get this fire going. Well, that's bad. That's kind of bad. Honestly, yes, it is kind of bad. Well, it looks like the sun's setting, so we're kind of cooked. So, yeah. I think we're cooked, guys. Yeah, we're definitely cooked. Guys, it's turning nighttime. It's turning nighttime. How you know that? I just think so. I don't think it's getting nighttime. You're capping. You're capping, okay? What? I'm not capping. Hey guys, I'm face revealing at 400 subscribers. If you want to see that. I haven't been filming any videos recently. It's because I've been really busy. And yeah, school's starting soon, so I gotta get ready for that. Anyways, back to the video. Comment. Alright, well, it's getting nighttime. It is nighttime. Alright, so we're cooked. Well, it's not. What? Nope. It's nice knowing y'all. And well, see y'all later. What? Hide. Go. It's like, what is that thing? What the flip is that? I don't know what that is. I want to know. Be gone, beast! Take this flashlight in the face. That was crazy, guys. That was so crazy. I almost died. What do you mean you almost died? I don't know what you mean. But yes, it was pretty tough. It had antlers. What the flip was that? It did not look like a deer, to be honest. I think it's supposed to be a deer. What? We don't even know where... what is his name again? Nightmare Bonnie. We don't even know where Nightmare Bonnie is. And you're not even worrying about him. Isn't he like your best friend? Yeah. You're a sicko. Oh, the bugs are bad. Gotta end this video. Alright, anyways. Yeah. You're worthless. Oh, man. Sorry.